Hi, this is Dr. Pan recording from Tucson, Arizona. Today we have a question from one of our YouTube subscribers. Let's see how we go about graphing this one. To send your own questions, please consider subscribing our channel. Now, before jumping into graphing this one, let's do a quick review on what's important when it comes to graphing hyperbolas. First thing first, curve always sits on the first term. So if the first term is positive 1, that's y squared, then the curve sits along y direction. If it's positive on the x, then it sits on the x direction. Second thing is the shift. If its center is not at 0, 0, it's going to be shifted to x minus cx and y minus cy. Now, for our case, obviously, we don't have any shift, so we don't have to really worry about that one. The last one, it's the one that's a little tedious, but nothing hard, in that the asymptote box, this is the box, and connecting corner to corner give you the asymptote. Asymptotes give you the guidelines to where the graph, how open it is and how wide it is. In order to find the asymptote box, the slope is what matters. So direction Ly is the length along under the y term. Lx is the one under the x term. So given all those three, that should be enough for us to graph this one. Let's try it. Alright, so let's put all this together. First thing I did is I'm going to divide by 14 to convert it into standardized form. And then I converted this 7 on the bottom into a square root of 7 because the square is important, so I can read the length along y direction and along x direction as well. The curve sits on y-axis because the first term is y and it's the positive term. Center is at 0, 0. There's no shift on the center over here. And then the last step at the asymptote box. So here's what you do. When you have the length in hand, you start at 0, 0. I went about 3.7, a little less than 4 units, and then I went up about 2.6 units. Now from here, when I get this corner, all I have to do is duplicate the other 3 corners. Once I have this box connecting the corner, gives me the asymptotes. From here, it's downhill. The rest of the curve should be pretty easy to follow now. So here's the curve looking. I have the box, asymptotes pinch my curve in here. It's a nice smooth curve, sits on the y, and here's the second half. Now, next slides, let's take a look computer generated graph. All right, so what we have over here is the computer generated graph. Let's magnify. You can see the box is identical, and so is the curve. All right, I hope this helps. Hi, this is Dr. Pan recording from Tucson, Arizona. Please comment, share, or like this video. Together we can make math easy again. Have a confident day.